Like the saying goes, you can't buy happiness, but you can buy fabric. And I buy a lot of fabric. Like this fabric I found on sale, and I just had to get it. And for some reason, this fabric reminds me of a cardboard box. So I decided to make this purse in the shape of a box. It's very easy, all squares, nothing hard. So we're gonna go ahead and start by cutting out all the pieces. And then after cutting everything out, I just took some fusible fleece and ironed it to the back sides of all the pieces. First, I took the two side panels and I sewed them to the front main panel. And then I sewed the base to the back main panel. And then I sewed the other end of the base to the front panel. And after sewing the sides, I sewed the base to the side panels. And then I cut off some of the excess bulk from the seam all around all the parts of the bag. And then I grabbed my lining pieces and I made the lining bag the exact same way as the outer bag. And then I inserted the lining bag into the outer bag. And then I folded the top rim of the bag inward about 1/4 of an inch, all the way around. I use zipper by the yard, so I'm going to cut about a 10-inch zipper. But if you have a 9-inch or a 10-inch zipper that already has a stopper on the end of it, you won't need to add the little stopper, the little zipper tab that I'm going to add to the end of this zipper. So here I'm just folding the edge of the zipper back a little bit, and then I'm going to just tack them down just so that way the edge just stays out of the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and make the zipper gusset. And after I finished the zipper gusset, I inserted it into the front and back, in between the layers of the front and back panels. And then I made some little tabs for the D-rings, so that way I can attach a strap to this bag. I inserted the little tabs into the layers of the side panels and then sewed across them. And then I cut a small piece about 2 by 2 inches, and I put it right at the edge of the end of the zipper, and then sewed with about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And then afterwards folded that piece of material back a little bit, and then I took the edges of that little tab and folded them inward, and then just folded it over one more time to cover up the edge of the zipper. then I just sewed across the little zipper tab to secure the end of the zipper. And to give the bag its boxy shape, I decided to go ahead and sew down each side corner. After that, I added a strap. You can put whatever type of strap you want. A leather strap would be really pretty, a brown leather strap. You can also do a fabric strap, make a strap with some of the material. I added a gold chain strap that I had. But I love this bag, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.